Hello dear students, it's time for maths lecture. So open your textbook, book page number 169. Open book page number 169, exercise 11.2. We will cover the remaining 3 questions of the exercise 11.2 in today's class, okay? So open your book fast. Be ready with your notebook and pen, pencil. Okay, so we will start question number 4 today. Question number 4 is, what is 888 minutes in hours and minutes? What is our question? Question 4 we are solving. What is 888 minutes in hours and minutes? Okay. What is 888 minutes in hours and minutes? So if you carefully observe the question, what we need to do here? Here we are going to convert 888 minutes into hours and minutes. And if you observe the question, you will get to know that question number 3 was just like this. Question number 3 was convert the following into hours and minute, right? Means in question number 3 what we have done? We have converted the given number of minutes into hours and minutes. And in this question also the same thing we need to do, but it is given in a word problem kind. So here basically we will convert minutes into hours and minutes. So do you remember the hint? What was the hint? What we do or how we solve such questions? If a number is given in minutes and we want to convert it into hours, what we do? By which number we divide? Do you remember? We know that okay, as our task is to convert minutes into hours, so we will write, we know that 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. Therefore 888 minutes will be equal to, we will divide this number 888 by 60. We will divide 888 by 60. Divide by 60. Now in rough work, let us divide. I am solving here. I am solving rough work here. 888 divide by 60. I arrange both the numbers in a standard form of division. Now, in one time I can divide. So 60 ones are 60. Subtract 88 minus 60. 8 minus 0 is 8. 8 minus 6 is 2. 28. Now this number is 28 is smaller than divisor. So we cannot further divide, but we have one digit here. So bring down this digit 8 here. Now your new number is 288. Now this 3-digit number can be divisible by 60. So in how many times we can divide this number? In 4 times. 60 fours are 240. Now subtract both. 8 minus 0 is 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. And 2 minus 2 is 0. So our result is now 48. Now as there is no digit here in our dividend, so we cannot bring down any. So and 48 is smaller than 60. So we will stop our division process here. So 48 is our remainder and 14 is our quotient. Now the number which is written in quotient will be your hour and the number written in remainder portion will be your minutes. So when we divide 888 by 60, we got 1414 hour 48 minutes. So our final answer is 888 minutes are equal to 888 minutes are equal to 14 hours 48 minutes. Note it down the solution. I am erasing the rough one. Note down or take this screenshot. Note down the solution. It is your final answer. Okay, now we will move towards the next question, which is question number 5. Question number 5. Read the question number 5 carefully. Question number 5 is, what is 585 hour in days and hours? In days and hours. Now what is our task here? Our task here to convert 585 hour into days and hours. Here our task is to convert 585 hour into hours. So this question is just like question number 1 of the exercise. And what we have done in question number 1, by which number we divide the given number? We divide by 24. So here I will write, we know that. What we know that? Now as the number given is in hour, so we will write, we know that 24 hour. 24 hours means 1 day. 24 hour is equal to 1 day. Hour is equals to 1 day. Therefore, 585 hour will be equal to 585 divide by 24. Now we will divide 585. 585 we will divide this number by 24. Now in rough work, here I am solving the division. 585 we will divide it by 24. So 24 twos are 48. If you remember the table of 24, 24 twos are 48. Now subtract 48 from 58. So 8 minus 8 is 0. 5 minus 4 is 1. Now one new number is 10, which is smaller than 24. So we have one digit in our dividend which we can bring down for further division. So I bring down the 5 here. Now in how many times we can divide further? Tell me. Think about in how many times we can divide. Think about it. In 4 times we can divide. 24 fours are 96. 24 fours are 96. Now subtract both the numbers. 5 minus 6 is not possible. So we will take one borrow from here. It becomes 15. 15 minus 6 will give 9 as result. 15 minus 6 will give 9 as result. Okay. Now here what is left here? 9 is left. Now 9 minus 9 is 0. And as one given one borrow to this 0, here what left? 0 is left. So our remainder is 9 only. When we subtract 96 from 105, our result is 9. Now 9 is smaller than 24, so we will stop our division here. Now and as you know that 24 is our quotient, so the quotient will be our hour and will be our days, and 9 will be our hour. So when we divide 585 hours by 24, our result is 24 days, 9 hours. 24 days, 9 hours. This is our final result. Now I am subtracting this rough work. Erasing this rough work. You can note it down. It is our final answer. 585 hours is equals to 24 days and 9 hours. Note down the solution. Now we will solve question number 6. So read the question 6 carefully. Read question 6 carefully and identify what task you need to perform. Question number 6. A car takes 654 seconds to go around a circular path. How many seconds car takes? Car takes 654 seconds. Convert the time taken by car into minutes and seconds. So basically what we will do here, we will convert 654 seconds into minutes and seconds. Okay? I am not writing the complete question, but you will note down it from your book. You will completely note down the question from your textbook. Time taken by car. Time taken by car. How much time car takes? Car takes 654 seconds. 654 seconds. What is our task? Our task is to convert these 654 seconds into minute and second. So to convert, this question is based on question number 2 of the exercise 11.2. In the question number 2, we converted seconds into, the given time is in seconds and we want to convert these seconds into minutes and seconds. So this question is just like question number 2. So to convert seconds into minutes, what we do? We divide by 60. We divide by 60. So here I am going to write, we know that 60 seconds. If the data is given in 60 seconds, so we will write 60 seconds is equals to 1 minute. 60 seconds is equals to 1 minute. Therefore, 654 seconds will be equals to 654 divide by, we will divide 654 by 60. Divide by 60. So now in rough work, we will divide 654 by 60. So in one time we can divide 60 ones are 60. Subtract both. 65 minus 60 is 5. Now the number 5 is smaller than 60. We cannot divide, but we can bring down the 4 here. Now our new number is 54. This 54 is also smaller than 60, so we cannot further divide. So stop division here. Now what is your result? The number in the quotient part, it is your quotient. The number 1 in quotient part is your minute, and the number in your remainder part will be your second. And we wanted to convert into minutes and seconds, right? According to question, we wanted to convert into minutes and seconds. So we got 1 minute 54 seconds as our result. After division, 1 minute 54 seconds. It is our final result. Now let me erase the rough one. Now you can note down the answer. Note down the answer. 1 minute 54 seconds. 10 minutes. As it is not divisible, so we need to write 10 in quotient part. So 10 minutes 54 seconds is your final answer. Note down the solution properly. Okay, so it was all about today's class. Our exercise 11.2 over here. Now we will meet in another lecture with new exercise. Till then, complete all these work. Okay students, write all the things very systematically in copy, as soon we are going to keep one more session of copy correction. So complete your all the remaining work in your notebook. Bye bye.